Alright, been a slack ass for the fucking year. It's now, what is it? We're in March, eh? March, first video for the year, so we're doing good. Oh, this new camera thing's interesting. Thanks, Liam. Gotta like hold it fucking way out here. Yeah, so today we're off to Mary. Ian from ST Hi-Tech's hired at the track and has invited us down, so we're taking down a customer's R35 that got given to us. It was completely factory and he just said, you know, make it go fast. So that's what we do around here. That's it there. So, oh shit, I don't know if you can see anything or not. It's a bit fucking dark. Need a wide angle on this thing, eh? It's pretty much, the gist of it is it's a factory motor, still stock block. It's got some larger turbos put on it. We did all that. Supplied by ST Hi-Tech and Turbo 777. So it's meant to be their 880 horsepower turbo package, which I'm pretty sure they would do on ethanol. It's got a Phoenix / Wagner intercooler. So I don't really know what guts is with that, but it's big and it seems to work really good. What else has it got? Some custom intercooler piping by us, well, Dwayne, from Fueled by Fab, which we'll get to at some point. Meet the new team for the year. What else have we done on it? It's got titanium downpipes, some stainless mid pipe, some brewed up to fuck catback type system thing. Like, hoary as, but that looks pretty gangster. That'll do the job. And then it's got some fucking crazy shit going on from Dodson's in the transmission. So it's got fucking built first gear, billet shaft, sportsman clutch, and a bunch of other bits and bobs. Don't know much more about it than that. I think it's got a billet selector and a few other things. So far what we've made is 510 kilowatt at the rear wheels, because we just chucked it in, pulled the front drive shaft out for the dyno, with Brian tuning it from NDT. So yeah, go down today and see what it does. We're hoping for a low 10. If it gets real close, then we might, you know, chuck some C16 through it, or maybe some E85 and get that slightly better time, but I guess we'll find out. So that will be a few of those videos going on today. So yeah, and I should really go around the rest of the shop too while we're here. Alliston's car looks like a little bit dusty, but it's not too bad. I can't be fucked moving that. So I don't know if I've actually mentioned this at any point of any other videos, but it's just a fucking 26 Precision 6466, everything done in-house. Should do, just run-of-the-mill 600 kilowatt, it's just the high power package pretty much, the OG. So that's almost ready to roll. Just waiting for some wiring to get done, and then she's out of here. What else has it got going on? Forgotten. That's right, it's got electric power steering in the boot, keep it all tidy. Frenchie's fuel pump setup does the deed. Tidy as S15. Fed Fueled by Fab, or Dwayne going hard on the fabrication on it. Check them out. Fancy boys. Not bad for an SR20. So it's got a GTX 3071. So it'll be going to dyno after we're finished with it. The workshop is different now. We've got 3 hoists, as you can see. Which is quite bloody handy. And what else we got? The mess going on over here. It's Frosty's RX-7. That's still there, but that's getting relocated soon because we need the space. So it's on the move. An R35 transmission for anyone that hasn't seen one before. They're fucking huge. Some sack, don't worry about that. Something a little bit different we're doing this year. Bikes. So this one's a V-Rod. And Dwayne's made a full custom manifold setup. External wastegate, turbo smart hidden down in there. Exhaust and everything. Custom intercooler, plasma clamps. Whole 9 yards. So I'm just waiting for some cables and stuff for that, and set the bars up properly, and I guess it'll be going to tune. Yeah, so that's about all for now. I guess we'll get some more videos during today and see how we go. Chat. Made it to Mary. The lip fell off on the motorway, so that's never a good start. But yeah, we're told we're only allowed to go 11s, but give it a run anyway and get some practice, get some launches in, see how it goes. So I'm gonna go out there now and have a go.
Getting a bit of launches though,
Alright, done a couple of runs, a couple being 5 or so. The left lane isn't prepped, so we're just giving that a go at the moment, but it's terrible. No, is that thing gonna start? Yeah, so it's just the 60 foot's getting worse and worse. We're gonna wait a bit later on today. Hopefully we can use, you can see me. Ah, fuck, here we go. Hold the thought. This fella might be firing this thing up. Then you can look at the 35. Some big ass tyres on it now. Still got nothing on this though. So yeah, hopefully it hasn't started. It's good. Later on the day we'll hopefully try out the right hand side lane. See how that goes, so maybe we can get a bit of a better launch, but yeah, the 60 foot's terrible. Mile per hour isn't too bad, so hopefully it does a low 10. But we'll see. Hey, Shadil! You'll be famous, my bro. Excuse the average quality going on here. Trying to assess you guys up for a bit of a decent view. That's on. Stuck in first. Yeah. Having a couple of issues sticking in first gear by the looks of it, so hopefully it sorts that out at some point. It'll be good. While we're here, have a bit of a look at Shaggy's car. The infamous GTR owner. Owned every GTR in Auckland pretty much.
Fuck us,
This is the man.
Fuck us.
This is the man himself. come to run some 11s for us today?
Fuck off for an 11-1, Doc. Record the next one. We on.
The next one? Yeah, okay. So, this one's bin turbo instead of single.
Oh, fuck off. This is your high power setup, G.
Oof, is it?
Yeah.
Where's the single?
Oh.
We only do singles around here, bro.
We don't have rich guys that have dad's money is there.
Dylan, Dylan, that's... Oh, he's attacking you, personally.
I bet I'll see it on YouTube tonight, bro.
If I can be bothered, I might... No, you can't even see anything. There's too much chrome going on. It's too shiny. No wonder Chef Neil likes it.
Get the 6-speed.
The 6-speed? Ooh.
That's it, that Jimmy took it up.
Oh, look at that. 6-speed, boys. Tidy wee car. Little 2.8. Flash has mine strip race. Hopefully he does a 10, we'll see. Was that Caleb?
Are you a YouTuber?
I think so sometimes. I'm not very good at it, but hey, I'm here. I'm out here. I'm trying.
Cool, man.
I'm trying. Cool guy, bro. Jesus.
Oh, no, I'm right. Gary.
No, sorry, Saggy Shaggy. No 10s yet.
Too slow on those gear changes.
Yeah, it shifts like a bitch. Fucking madman.
It's not a preview, bro. He's dropped it back to the last one.
Nah, we can take RPM out of it still.
Okay. Go boy. That's it. bro. Good call. Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Hit 3, fucking on. It's on.
That'll do. Need some more grunt.
Good launch.
Kind of what we said it would do.
Yeah. Spot on.
Fastest stock motor R35 and NZ.
Is it?
Yep.
I guess it would be now.
Yes.
Pump gas too.
Pump gas, yeah. Fastest stock engine.
Fuck, once a bit up, it'll be good.
C16.
Yeah, C16, that'd be the way to go.
99.
So, got my chance to give it a full send in the prep lane, and didn't go too bad actually. Mile per hour's a little bit down. I don't know why. I think something's up with the transmission still, but we're still working through that because that's a pain in the ass. But I made it. Didn't fall apart. And ow, managed to suss me a 10.3 at 130 mile per hour. So I think we actually might do some more to it in the future. Chuck some C16 in it and maybe turn the grunt up a bit, but for 500 kilowatts and on a factory engine, that's New Zealand's fastest factory bottom end or factory motor R35 overall, and also on pump gas. So two things going for it there. So some better race gas and a bit more boost. I reckon it might do a 9. Not a bad day.